Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we'll learn how to log into Law360. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now after opening the browser, click on the search engine and type in Law360. Now click on the link which has this logo. This is the homepage of Law360 website. Here on the top you can see sign in option with a human icon. Click on it. Now you will need your email and your password to log in, so type in your email. Now type in your password. Now you can click on remember login to save your information on the browser, or you can leave it unchecked. Now if you have forgot your login details, you can click on this link. Now if you have still an issue to remember your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on sign in, and following this simple and easy step, you are now able to log into Law360. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do comment down below. Thank you.